Xperia 1 release date confirmed as Sony fans offered free PS4 bundle. Sony has finally confirmed the launch date for its new Xperia 1 with fans who pre-order being offered a free PS4 bundle or headphones worth £329. The new Xperia 1 was first announced back in February at Mobile World Congress, and now fans finally know when they will be able to get their hands on one. Sony has just revealed that its new flagship will hit stores soon, with pre-orders going live from today. If that wasn't exciting enough, there's even more good news, with the Japanese technology firm revealing numerous deals to make its new phone even more attractive. Those buying the Xperia 1 early will get the choice of a free PlayStation 4 bundle or a pair of Sony's award-winning WH-1000XM3 headphones worth £329. As a quick reminder, the Xperia 1 arrives packing a host of new features, including a stunning 21:9 cinema-wide 6.5 4K HDR OLED display with is powered by Sony's award-winning Bravia TV technologies. There's also a triple lens camera on the rear of the phone, which uses the know-how from the firm's Alpha brand to help bring improved photography. This is the first time Sony has included 3 lenses on a phone, and it means the Xperia 1 can match its Galaxy S10 and Mate 20 Pro rivals when it comes to photography. The cameras are made up of a standard 12-megapixel lens which sits alongside a wider angle and telephoto option. Other features that are worth mentioning on the Xperia 1 include the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, a 3,300 mAh battery, and the return of SideSense technology, which allows easy access to your most popular apps. The horrible fingerprint scanner that graced the XZ2 and XZ3 has also been moved to the side of the phone, which should make it much more friendly to use. If you like gaming on your phone, the Xperia 1 has its unique Game Enhancer, which optimizes the performance and blocks all unwanted notifications, as well as enabling you to record gameplay. If the Sony Xperia 1 takes your fancy, it costs £849 SIM-free, and here's some deals available from the main mobile networks. Vodafone is offering a gem-packed entertainment bundle deal. Those who purchase the cool grey Xperia 1, color exclusive to Vodafone, will receive a PlayStation 4 and Marvel's Spider-Man game for £54 per month, plus £49 up front with 15 GB of data. Carphone Warehouse customers who purchase the Xperia 1 will receive free noise-cancelling Sony WH-1000XM3 headphones. O2 is offering the Xperia 1 with free, premium Sony WH-1000XM3 headphones. Purchases between 30th of May and June 30th will be able to rental one film a week for 6 months from Rakuten TV, worth £4.50 per rental, as well as a chance to win one of 50 Waina by Sony Smartband and watch face. The hero tariff on O2 will be £36.97 a month with £30 up front for 5 GB. Sky Mobile customers who buy the Xperia 1 will also get the premium Sony WH-1000XM3 headphones in black. Sky will offer the Xperia 1 for £37 a month with a 2 GB data tariff. Hero tariff deal will be available for £54 per month and £30 up front for 10 GB of data.